Hello and welcome to my weekly roundup, which is a day early this week as tomorrow is Good Friday. On the Small Business Big Network podcast this week, you can hear Stuart Powerhouse Leahy talking about the network that he runs for businesses in Yorkshire, and you can find out why he has Powerhouse in his name. On Monday this week, I attended Lady Adie's Be Successful at Networking online meeting. I haven't been able to get to this one for a while, but as ever, it was a great meeting and led to me having a very interesting one-to-one with Michael Morris. Michael's business is all about helping manufacturers to optimise their processes to get things through the factory faster. On Monday evening, I had a very relaxing time with my networking friend Alison Clover. Alison is a Temple Spa consultant and she ran an online pamper party for me and a few friends. She sent us all several product samples through the post in advance of the party and then took us through how to use them on the night. We all felt thoroughly pampered and we hadn't even had to go anywhere. On Tuesday, I popped along to Andy Sarson's business community meeting, which was focused on sales and marketing and how SMEs should invest their budget in this area. The speakers were the sales ace, Julie Futcher, and Marie-Louise O'Neill of Lovely Evolution. There was also a very lively chat going on. I think the answer to the question is it depends very much on your business and where your clients are as to where you spend your money. I've attended a few co-working sessions with Richard Burridge over the last couple of weeks, which I found to be really useful. Richard is running these on the hour between 9 and 5 every working day. The sessions last for 40 minutes and are a great way to get stuff done with someone holding you accountable. If that would work for you, then do get in touch with Richard. There is no charge for the sessions and no commitment, you just turn up when you like. And I know Richard is looking to grow the pool of people who do this so that it becomes a networking opportunity too. In a similar vein, I attended Sheena Wyatt's Content Club this week. About half a dozen of us spent an hour together working separately on our own content and holding each other accountable. It's amazing what you can get done in this way. Yesterday lunchtime, I was at another online networking meeting. This was hosted by Peter Dickinson and was the first meeting of the Network Hub. The Network Hub can be found on NetHub, an online platform for networking groups where members can message each other, pass referrals, advertise events and more. I've only just joined the platform, so I'm still learning about it, but if you run a networking group, you might want to look at how being on there could benefit your members. There's a Q&A session every Wednesday at 1 p.m. where you can find out more. Search for NetHub on Eventbrite or contact Beatrice Casey. The IDG Roaming Network event was on yesterday afternoon. I've mentioned this one before. It's like a virtual exhibition hall that you can direct your avatar around and you can stop and look at stands or chat to other attendees. Yesterday, people were discovering how to personalise their avatar to look a little bit more like them. Marketing is something that every business owner needs to know about, and yesterday evening I attended a webinar on this topic run by the VoiceOver Network. The speaker was American voice actor Tom Deere, who also runs courses on marketing specifically for voiceover artists. A lot of what he said I already knew, but it's always good to be reminded. That's all for this week. I hope you have a lovely break over Easter. Fingers crossed for some nice weather. Join me again next week for another Roundup.